Well, just got done installing the handbrake, but went out on a test ride and it fucking spit out this whole thing. So, I don't know. Pretty annoying though. It just spit it right out. Fuck. I don't know what to do at that point. So I put it back. I just can't tell. So you can see that's mounted, or that's like fucking in the groove all the way. I can't really tell if that's the case for right there. Let me see. Nah, that's fucking hard to tell. That ring's in there all the way. So it looks like right there it's like fucking poked out just a little bit. I can't fucking see. So here's my question to the creators. So I already had this blow off once. The amount that it moves when the handbrake's actuated. Is that normal? I already threw a zip tie on it just in case. But it seems to me like it's moving quite a bit. Let me know.